हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू मैथ सिंप्लीफाइड। मैथ सिंप्लीफाइड को आपन को स्वागत। लेट अस एंजॉय मैथमेटिक्स and tell together now math is simple. Today we are going to discuss about the equivalence classes. We will understand very nicely a equivalence class ta kon, and we must understand what are the properties of equivalence class and so many things. चलिए we must start the equivalence class. आमे जेतोले equivalence class कथा कहिबा, one equivalence relation must be there on a particular set. Now let us consider this wiggle is an equivalence relation. This is an equivalence relation on set X. Equivalence relation on X, and for any element X of X, X रो जेकोनसी element, the equivalence class of this element X is denoted by this bracket X. Remember, don't confuse ये bracket वो वाला, that is जो greatest integer function नुहे. Okay, so the equivalence class of X is what? कौन बुझिबा? What we understand? It is the set of all elements which are related to this X. X सहित GA related. If we take them together and make a set, that is the equivalence class of that particular X. So we write it is set of all Y in X such that Y is related to X by relation wiggle. I think you understood this. Equivalence class माने GA X सही element सांगरे related. That is the equivalence class of a particular element. Okay. For example, we already discussed, आमे discussion करी सारी चंती on Z, A congruent to B mod 3, the relation congruence modulo is an equivalence relation. Now let R stands for the relation is congruent to, or the congruence modulo relation. R is the congruence modulo 3 relation. On Z. So A is related to B or AB belongs to R. How केमती लिखिबा? A or B when A is congruent to B mod 3. In this relation, A relation, what is the equivalence class of 0? 0 रो equivalence class कौन हबो? 0 सहित किए related? Let me write what is that element related with 0. मतलब set of all x's such that 0 congruent to x mod 3, meaning 0 minus x divisible by 3. So what is that x? First I can take that x is 0. Second I can take that x is plus minus 3 or plus minus 6. This is the congruence, the equivalence class of 0. With respect to the equivalence relation A congruent to B mod 3. 0 sangre GA related, meaning 0 minus dash is divisible by 3. 0 minus multiple of 3 is divisible by 3. So this is about equivalence class. Next we go for what are the properties of equivalence class. Equivalence class pai we need an equivalence relation. Here on this capital X set, wiggle is the equivalence relation. So it must be reflexive, symmetric and also transitive. Therefore, wiggle is reflexive. Reflexive meaning for all x belongs to x, x is related to x. And wiggle must be symmetric. Mane if A is related to B, then B is related to A. So the relation must be symmetric. Next, the relation must be transitive. Relation transitive haba darkar. A is related to B, B is related to C, implies A is related to C. So wiggle must satisfy all these three types, means the wiggle must be an equivalent relation, means it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Yes, three properties wiggle must satisfy. Now, first property of equivalence class, that is for every x belongs to x, equivalence class x is non-empty, equivalence class is never phi, equivalence class केबे भी phi नुह काहे because the relation is reflexive, means if x is an element of x, x must be related to itself. And what is the meaning of equivalence class of x? All those elements equivalence class माने कौन? x संगरे जे related थिबे. So at least x is related to itself. अति कम रे x ता निज सहित related थिबो. Therefore that implies x belongs to equivalence class of x at least. Therefore equivalence class केबे भी phi नुह. अति कम रे से निजे रहे. So equivalence class of any element is never phi. And now we shall discuss about if two elements of x are related to each other, they have same equivalence class. जदि दुईटा एलिमेंट रिलेटेड हेबे तांकर इक्विवेलेंस क्लास सेम रहइबो. किंबा if two elements with equal or same equivalence class, they must be related to each other. That thing we are going to discuss here. Now, that means x is related to y implies and implied by equivalence class of x equal to equivalence class of y. Indirectly we want to prove this x is related to y implies equivalence class of x equal to equivalence class of y, and again if equivalence class of x equal to equivalence class of y, then x is related to y. So here the proof consists of two parts. First part is called the necessary part. Let x is related to y. We want to prove equivalence class of x is equal to equivalence class of y. That we want to prove. So here equivalence class of x is a set. Equivalence class of y, ye bhi gote set. When two sets are equal, if first is a subset of second and second is subset of first. Now let us begin with let A belongs to equivalence class of x. Okay, we want to prove A belongs to equivalence class of y. Seita prove karibar achi. That implies A is related to x. बुझेसला. Again ये दीटा को जोड़ी दियो. the equivalence relation wiggle is transitive. So x is A is related to x and x is related to y. A is related to x is related to y implies A is related to y. Therefore, A belongs to equivalence class of y. That implies equivalence class of x is a subset of equivalence class of y. ଆମେ କୋଉଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ? We begin from equivalence class of x. So similarly, if we begin from equivalence class of y, we will get equivalence class of y is a subset of equivalence class of x. Therefore, equivalence class of x is equal to equivalence class of y. Proved. It's sufficient part. Let equivalence class of x is equal to equivalence class of y. We shall prove x is related to y. आमे प्रूव करिवा x is related to y. अच्छा. Now, how to begin with? If possible, let x is not related to y. Okay? Contradiction le prove kariba. Let, if possible, let x is not related to y. Now, if x is not related to y, then we are already given equivalence class of x equal to equivalence class of y. Chalo, let A belongs to equivalence class of x. Okay? And that implies A must belongs to equivalence class of y. Amku diya hai. Okay? That implies A is related to x and A is related to y. Okay? Bartaman amara ye this relation wiggle is symmetric. So x is related to A and A is related to y. Okay? That implies x is related to y. Why? Because the relation is transitive. The wiggle relation is transitive. Okay? So, this is a contradiction, which is a contradiction. Therefore, if any two elements of x are related to each other, they must have equal equivalence class. Okay? Related हेले जदि equal equivalence class हैला ताहले related न हेले कौन हबो? So, if x is not related with y, then they have disjoint equivalence classes. जदि x y संगे related नथिबो तांकर equivalence class मानकर intersection phi हो. We shall prove this. एबे देखिबा काहे केमता होछि. Now, let x is not related to y and A belongs to equivalence class of x intersection equivalence class of y. If possible, we must consider it is not phi. Contradiction le kariba. Let, if possible, equivalence class of x intersection equivalence class of y is not equal to phi. So, if it is not equal to phi, it must contain some element. Let A belongs to equivalence class of x intersection equivalence class of y. That implies A belongs to equivalence class of X and A belongs to equivalence class of Y. That implies A is related to X and A is related to Y. Again the relation is symmetric. So X is related to A and A is related to Y. The relation is also transitive. So X is related to Y, which is a contradiction. Therefore, equivalence class of X intersection equivalence class of Y is phi is wrong, is not phi is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore, equivalence class of X intersection equivalence class of Y must be phi. Proved. Again, come to the sufficient part. This was the necessary part. जोटी implies and implied by thibo. First you take left side, prove right side. Again you take right side, prove left side. Let sufficient part. Let equivalence class of X intersection equivalence class of Y is phi. We want to prove X is not related to Y. So if possible, let X is related to Y. We already proved if X is related to Y, then equivalence class of X must be equal to equivalence class of Y, which is a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Okay? 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 Equivalence class of X equal to equivalence class of Y. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What was our assumption? They are disjoint intersection phi किंतु equal ही गला intersection phi को ढांचो. I think you got the idea. चलो. Here, if I take any two elements of X, X ର ଯଦି କୌଣସି ଦିଟା element ନିଏ, either they have same equivalence class or they are disjoint equivalence class. काहींकि ଏବେ ଆମେ ପଢିଲେ. If I take any two elements of X, either they are related to each other or they are not related to each other. ये दीटा situation छाड़ीदेले आउ situation नहीं. So if they are related to each other, they have equivalence class. If they are not related to each other, they have disjoint equivalence class. I think you got the idea. We shall go ahead. If I take union of all equivalence classes, I get the total set X. I am giving you the idea. Let this is the total set. Okay. It has many elements. Mu gote element x1 neli. x1 sangre G related. ସିଏ ହେଲା x1 ର equivalence class. ତାପରେ ଧର x3 x1 ସାଙ୍ଗରେ related ନାହିଁ. ସିଏ ଅଲଗା ରହିବ. And x3 ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯିଏ related, that is equivalence class of x3 because the property says ଯଦି ଦିଟା element related ରହିଲେ they have equivalence class. If two elements are not related, they have disjoint equivalence class. अलगा अलगा रहिबे. So therefore, total all elements they have some equivalence class. ता भितरु केतेटा equal equivalence class भितर रहिबे. मतलब they will be in same equivalence class and some are in disjoint equivalence class. Therefore, union of the equivalence class of all elements gives me total set X. So, in mathematics language, we call the equivalence classes forms a partition over x. पार्टीशन कौन? पार्टीशन means जेमती आमर जमीबाड़ी भाग बांट हुए. Nothing to be shared. If I take union, I will get total set x and there is nothing common. कौन सी दीटा भितर इंटरसेक्शन फाइ होतबो आउ तांक यूनियन नेले पूरा प्रॉपर्टी पूरा x होतो पूरा सेट होतो. That is called as partition. And in mathematical language, what is the meaning of partition? A1, A2, An forms a partition of x when A1 intersection union A2 union A3 and union An is x total set and Ai intersection Aj is phi for I not equal to j. अलगा अलगा दीटा नेले तांका इंटरसेक्शन फाइ होतबो आ यूनियन नेले पूरा सेट होतबो. That is known as a partition. So the equivalence classes they make a partition of the set. Set को से माने अलगा अलगा बांटी दियंती. For example, मु गोटे छोटो example नेबी. Now I take a very small example. The relation congruence modulo 3 on Z partitions it into 3 disjoint equivalence classes. Why? Kai? Now, what is our Z? मते कहबो Z टा कौन? 0 और minus infinite एम चलला minus infinite तो लिखंतनी एम चलला -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 and so on. This is your Z. Now, what is the relation? The relation is congruence modulo 3. So, when two elements A and B are related to each other, when A congruent to B mod 3. I think you understood. Acha. Let us denote or give a name to this relation. Let the relation congruence modulo 3 is the vehicle. So, A is related to B implies and implied by A congruent to B mod 3. Okay? ता माने what does it mean? A minus B is divisible by 3. ता माने A minus B equal to 3k. Okay? If this condition satisfied, we tell A is related to B. And we already proved this is an equivalence relation. Now let us think about its equivalence classes. What is equivalence class of 0? 0 ru start kariba. We already discussed that if you find equivalence class of any number, that number must present. प्रथमे सही number रहिथिबो. चलो एबे देखि दबा. Now what is that? It is set of all x's जो z रहिबे जीए 0 संगरे related. हैला किए 0 संगरे related. So 0 संगरे किए related such that 0 congruent to x mod 3. A 0 संगरे धर x related. All x's are they form the equivalence class of 0. अच्छा, ता माने x belongs to z such that 0 minus x, खाली minus x is divisible by 3. So, what is that? 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 and so on. So, ये गला. This is equivalence class of 0. चलो, what is equivalence class of 1? Check करिबा. 1 रो equivalence class किया. Now, 1 संगरे J related. All the elements which are related with 1, they form the equivalence class of 1. Okay, chalo. Now, what is equivalence class of 1? That is all x belongs to Z such that 1 congruent to x mod 3. Or you may write x congruent to 1 mod 3, it's also okay because the relation is symmetric. So I write x congruent to 1 mod 3. So what does it mean? या माने कौन? X belongs to Z such that x minus 1 is 3k for k belongs to Z. तो x equal to 3k plus 1. एठी सेमती तमे भी लिखि देथांत x equal to 3k. ठीक अछि. This is के रहिला x equal to 3k plus 1. आगे हला 1. Okay. k ର value 0 ନେଲେ 3k plus 1. I can write x belongs to Z such that x equal to 3k plus 1 where k belongs to Z. Now how we will write this? It is 1. तापरे k1 हेले 4, k minus 1 हेले minus 2, k2 हेले 7, k minus 2 हेले minus 5 and so on. This is the equivalence class of 1. What is equivalence class of 2? एबे देखिबा 2 रो equivalence class किए. So equivalence class of 2 is nothing but এই স্টাইলে যদি আমি আগে যাবা তাহলে it is x belongs to Z such that x equal to 3k plus 2 where k belongs to Z. এই স্টাইলে আগে গলে আমি এটা পাই যাবা. So it is first 2 k0 নেলে k1 5 k minus 1 it is minus 1 k is 2 8 k is minus 2 minus 4 and so on. And what is equivalence class of 3? It will be same as equivalence class of 0 because 3 is related to 0. Therefore, these are only 3 equivalence classes of the relation congruence modulo 3 on Z. Kahinki equivalence class of 0, union equivalence class of 1, union equivalence class of 2 is nothing but Z. Therefore, एबे देखो ये जो तीनटा इक्विवेलेंस क्लास मिलिला 0 रो 1 रो और 2 रो is there any common between any two? दीटा भीतर किसी common अछि नाही. Union नेले पूरा Z. That means they form a partition. They form a partition of what? The set Z. Okay. So the equivalence relations, equivalence classes, they make a partition over equivalence or partition of the set. Okay. So this is all about the equivalence classes. Okay. And next आता है, next comes the equivalence relation from partition. Partition रू equivalence relation केमिति बनेगा. The idea is very simple. ये जो partition, let x1 is a partition 1 2 3 here. X is the set 1 2 3 4 5 6. ହେଲା 1 2 5 1 2 5 they form one partition, one equivalence class. आउ 3 and 6 ये गोटे equivalence class. आउ 4 गोटे equivalence class. So this partition is given. So in an equivalence class, every element is related to each other. And two elements from two different equivalence classes, they are not related to each other. एबे आमे एठू equivalence relation पाइबा केमिति. Partition of x1 equivalence relation, how we will get the relation. Then What are the relations I get from this first partition 1 to 5 को नहीं को relation गुड़ाक पाइबी they are related to each other मु पाइबी 1 is related to 1 is related to 2 1 is related to 5 आउ पाइबी 2 is related to 1 2 is related to 2 2 is related to 5 again 5 is related to 1 5 is related to 2 5 is related to 5 these are the elements of the relation I get from the first partition from second partition कौन पाइली 3 is related to 3 3 is related to 6 6 is related to 3 6 is related to 6 तापरे last partition लु कौन पाइली 4 is related to 4 so this is the equivalence relation I get from this given partition जदि partition देइथिबो equivalence relation एमती बाहर करंती so this is all about relations and you are getting short videos on different concepts of relations in this channel and in our next video we will discuss about the problems of the exercises.